Hi there! Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to break down a head of cauliflower. I love fresh cauliflower, but let's face it, this big thing can be intimidating. I will show you that with a few simple steps, you can get perfect cauliflower florets to use in all of your favorite recipes. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our full cauliflower here, and we're going to break it down. And to begin doing that, we're going to remove all of these green leaves. So you can usually just pull them right off, but if you can't get them off by pulling, just use a sharp knife to cut them off. And with this task, a good sharp knife is definitely your best friend. So make sure you have a good sharp knife for this. Okay, so then we have this little stem that's on here. So I'm just going to chop that off as well. And it's pretty flat now, and it'll sit flat on your cutting board. Oh, we have one little piece of green I forgot. All right, so now we're just going to take the entire head of cauliflower, cut it in half, and then I'm gonna take each half and cut it in half again. And so we can see now that it exposes the stem of the cauliflower. And you're just going to run your knife right along there and cut off the individual florets. Just work your way around each section, cutting off all those florets. And then you can just discard the stem and you'll see you have perfect florets here. And if this one is too big, if you find a piece that's too big, you can either break it apart, or if it's too tough, you can just cut it down. Now the stems are pretty fibrous, so you really probably don't want to use those in your recipes. Or if you're making something like cauliflower rice, you can definitely use them. Just keep in mind they might take a little bit longer to cook because they're so fibrous. So some florets, when it comes apart in this bigger piece, you can just, like I said, pull them apart to make the smaller pieces, and you get beautiful florets every single time. So I'll just finish these up. So this one is a pretty big piece. You're gonna wanna break that down a little more. So just use your knife and just cut it into pieces that will suit your needs for whatever recipe you're making. Okay, I'm just gonna finish up the rest of this cauliflower and we will be good to go. Okay, so there you have it. We have an entire bowl full of cauliflower. It took me no time at all to break down that entire head. So next time you see that big head of cauliflower in the grocery store, don't be intimidated. Buy it, take it home, and in a couple quick steps, you can have a perfect bowl full of fresh cauliflower florets. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.